Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from Jobs in London, UK, from Facebook page and YouTube page and londonclassified.org. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get jobs in London and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So this time now I am showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job, Education Welfare Officer, jobs in London. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Education Welfare Officer required in London. Are you passionate about working with young people? Do you believe in helping parents support their children's learning needs? Immediate interviews available. School term time only. Ofsted outstanding schools. Temporary to permanent position. The South West London Secondary School is seeking to appoint an education welfare officer to work with pupils and families to resolve attendance issue. The role is aimed at overcoming barriers to learning and will involve communication and supporting parents or carers. This education welfare officer role will involve meeting with school staff, parents and pupils to identify issue and solution to those issues. You will have the responsibility to ensure children receive an education up to age of 16 by combating by any attendance issue alongside the attendance officer. The successful education welfare officer will also be in contact with external agencies such as social services, health professionals and education psychologists. So an understanding of school procedure is desirable. Continuous professional development is at the heart of the school culture and you will be benefits from extensive support system enabling you to excel, which is in turn reflected in your student success. Interview for the education welfare officer are taking place immediately, so please apply today. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So guys, education welfare officer required. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you must have a previous experience in relevant field and you must be graduate, then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, salary and benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated profile by use this link. This link also shown on your screen. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many categories job available in the website. So you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply for any job. So guys, this link given in the video description on YouTube page, so you can easily visit and then apply. So guys, apply procedure is very easy. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply any job. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process, so it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So guys, thank you. Thanks for watching.